Today we will be demonstrating repair on a membrane button assembly. So this is a control panel for a machine. You can actually see the cutouts here where other buttons and switches would go. But the main concern of the customer is actually here, where they have drawn a rectangle. And they have mentioned that there are problems in this area. So what we have done is we have actually heated up the membrane to reveal the keypad underneath. You can actually see the traces where the circuit board layer of the keypad connects to buttons. And this one is a very good example, which we will pull out. It has become completely flat. So normally you could depress the keypad. You can see here where it has a spring action, and that is how it has its on and off state. But as you can see, this one is completely flattened out, and it has no spring whatsoever to it. So we will go ahead and replace the button with a new one. We have many different sizes we can choose from. And we will lay back down the membrane portion, and this should be repaired. Here we have installed the button. And as you can see, it has now got a good springing action, up and down. So now it should function as a button. And the last stage is to glue this portion down and ship it to the customer. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.